Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm cooking dinner with my mom. And this is my first time cooking dinner, basically. But I have cooked chicken, no I haven't, but I have cooked banana nut muffins before. So let's get to the video. And hi, it's Pro Gamer, and this is Mom. Say hi. Today we're going to be cooking fajitas. I'll show you what we've done so far. Hold on. We've done that.
The peppers and onions.
And we've got the rice in the bowl pan, whatever it's called.
In the saucepan.
And look at that. That's awesome. Have you ever seen any of this? I don't think so. I know. Oh my God, it's starting to boil.
Okay, so when it boils, it's not boiling yet, but when it boils, we have to reduce it and simmer and cover it.
Okay.
Okay, so it's starting to boil.
Yeah, okay. So guys, if you want to know my Roblox name, I'll put it down in the description, and look at that now. So just so you know, if you want to play Roblox with me, I promise I won't forget to put my Roblox name in the description. So let's start cooking. That's awesome, right?
Mm-hmm. All
So
right,
guys,
see how it's boiling?
Yeah.
Stir it.
We have to start making more cooking videos.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to reduce the heat.
Okay.
Reduce the heat to about a 3.
Reduce the heat.
And then I'm going to put 7 minutes.
The 3.
Timer.
I'll show you guys 7 minutes. We're just going to be, this is all we're going to be doing. All we're going to be doing today, guys, is just staring at this. Oh my. Six. Ah, yeah. YouTube rules. Donuts. Bread. I don't know why I swallowed a fly. Aswdxzawsome. Aswdxzawsome. I'm gonna show them Lucy. Hey, so guys, if you want to meet our dog, Lucy, come here, girl, Lucy. I think she's outside resting. Lucy, where is she? Huh. Oh, there you are.
Where is Lulu? Hi, Lucy.
So, Lucy. This is my dog. Aswdxzawsome. Hey, Lucy. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say hi. 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 Lucy, kiss the camera. Kiss. Good girl. You laying down? Yeah? You're laying down? Yeah. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. But right after this, I am going to put on a live stream. Say bye.